Alright, so as you can see, getting pretty far along on the pond here. Just got to put the end panels on, and then the top rails I got to actually cut some notches in 2x4s for those. Give it a light sanding, which I'm not going to spend very much time at all on. Just want to make sure any burrs that might puncture the liner are going to be gone, just for my well-being, even though liner seems not to really need that too much. And then I come home to these two packages. Pretty sure the bigger one is probably a pond liner. So let's see what else we got here. This is the actual pond light that I got for this guy. That should be a pretty beastly light for this little pond right here. So what I'm probably going to do is keep this out of the pond until I'm ready to light it on the inside. And plug her in. So let's do a little test here. I want to see just how bright this puppy is. Come with plenty of cord here at about 25 feet. So I can put this light wherever I would like. Just got a fuse in the adapter. Put that in. Yeah, that's pretty bright. I think this thing only uses like 12 watts of energy. It's got these different colored lenses that you can put on there. So if I don't want to freak out a catfish, I could put blue filter on, green filter on. I don't know why you would do it, but you could put a red filter on, or a yellow filter. It's pretty cool. So anyway, camera's about to die. Let's see if I can get this bad boy open real quick. Use my trusty package opener. Oh yeah, that's the liner. I could use some more light. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? So got two more of the components that I needed today. Awesome. This thing's well underway. Sweet. It's not too much longer. This thing will have water in it. Do another video then. Later.